I'm Chef Carol, and when I'm not cooking, this is my other favorite spot. I have a sewing room or crafts room. This takes care of almost all of my hobbies: cake decorating, sewing, pretending to be a couture designer. This is it. This is my so-called body double right here. And I've been looking at a lot of YouTube videos to figure out what's the best way to make this meet my actual measurements. As you can see, I've wrapped it, I've foamed it, I've opened these adjustments here, and it's all pretty messy. While I was watching some of the videos, I came across this kit. It says Pro Modular Dress Form Padding. I've not opened this yet. It seems very compact, and I'm hoping that it expands when I open it. I'm going to go through the process of using this to try to pad this dress form to be my body double, so that I don't have to keep changing to put on something to try it on. I can put it on my dress form. So that's what I'm going to do today. Stay tuned. I'm going to start by opening this package. As you can see, it says Pro Modular Dress Form Padding, adjustable dress form for sewing and mannequin. That's exactly what I need. The instructions say, thank you for your purchase. We are a small, family-owned, home-based business. We did our best to make this product. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. It says, put a tight stretch cover over the dress form to fix all the pads. Slip the shoulder and bust pads around the armhole pit and rotate the pads in all directions to align with the desired position. Slip the stomach, thigh, and hip pads over the cover. Slip the stomach, thigh, and hip pads under the cover through the bottom. Use fillers to adjust the size and shape of each body curve. The package may have some wrinkles due to vacuum packing to prevent moisture, but it returns to its original state naturally, and steam ironing makes it easier to remove wrinkles. Use zipper bags for storage. Well, it certainly is vacuum packed, and it's not my intention to take them off and put them back on. Get ready. Let's see what this expands to. These are my paper scissors starting to expand. I have 2, 3, 4 large pads. This must be the stomach pad. Must be the stretch cover. Well, these are all of the pieces in the packaging, and I will take a few minutes to assess where they should go, and then I'll get started. So I'm going to begin. This is a Grits body form that I've had for a few years. This padding I'm going to leave on because in my infinite wisdom, I actually glued it on. So my body double has a breast size of 34.5, and I need to bring it up to a 38.5. I need to add 4 inches. The waist is 29.5. I need a 32. I need 3 inches. The hip is 37.5. I need 38. The upper bust is 35, and I need 35, and the under bust is 31, and I need 31. So I need to concentrate on the breast and the waist. I'm going to start by using this body skin that came with it. I also adjusted the neck size to a 14. And with this body form, which I actually purchased from Joann's, I was there one day with a 50 off coupon. You actually make the adjustments with these wheels. So when I adjusted the neck, bust got smaller, so I had to change that. So this is pretty tight. I'm going to start by using the breast pad. It seemed to be thicker here. So I'm going to they seem like they might need a little cushioning inside them from collapsing. I'm just going to put that little cushion in. I'm going to add in other, and then I will measure. So this is 35.5. Needs a little more pads. Maybe what I'll do, put a side pad on. And I will put another one on this side. And let me measure again. That got me to a 36. Looks like I need another little pad here. I can add another pad to the side. Maybe I'll add a pad to the back. Need to pull these down just a bit. That got me to a 37. So I'll add these 2 small pads here. a 37. I need a little more. I'm going to add to the side. More. And that puts me at 38. The waist on this is 29.5. So I've marked the waist and I need 32. So I'm going to use these pads. Another inch on the waist. I have another set of pads here. I'm going to add in the belly pad first. And that brought me to 32. The hip measurement needed a 1/2 inch. that's at 38. That's perfect. Waistline is 32. The under bust is 32. I needed a 31. And the upper bust is 35. And that's what I needed. This is my new body double, and this will save me taking off and putting on clothes. I haven't given her a name yet. Body double seems to work pretty fine. I'll show you the first garment that I made for the body double. I don't like to have my body double naked, so this will be her outfit when she's not working. I think she looks pretty good.